Dogger 190, unknown.
Yep.
Dogger Jank.
Barrel
Wow. There's a lot of greens out there.
I'm in.
Yes, there are. That's gonna be J-Man again.
Supporting Dobbs.
Numbers are good though. I just want to get somebody in front of this 30 millimeter.
You spraying for mosquitoes, Torch?
Yeah. Coming in a little hot.
You see this shit?
What shit's that?
This stick stern. 90.
F4U Dobbs. Who knows?
L sticks together. That's the primary defensive move.
Push pull, flying upside down more than he's right side up.
This K model can really climb.
If you know it's Vulch, just wait for him to turn upside down and then
break Ron.
Aim above him.
Spit coming at you, Ron.
Little late.
Well, I was trying to let you know, but someone was talking.
That was me.
I know.
Days, get out of there, brother. Spit coming
Hey,
in.
looks busy down there.
Yeah, hand would be great.
Can't clap and press the button at the same time, sorry. Days break.
Yeah, it's too late.
It's never too late.
I had a distraction for you.
Thank you.
Sassman break.
Trying to get her down.
In on Sasses.
Sass clear.
Yep.
Pappy break. You got F4U. Coming to you.
Fucking wep would help. 205 in.
Breaking.
Torch, break.
Roger.
In 205.
Pappy, check 6, check
Torch
6.
keep breaking.
Bringing it right.
205 still on your torch.
Ooh.
Dobbs picking up high Mustang.
Alright, I'm missing lots of parts.
Pappy break, Pappy break.
Happy break.
He's following Pappy. Damn it.
Way to go, Dogger.
Ouch.
Dogger Jink.
Yeah.
Sorry. I was shooting somebody. I just looked
Dogger
that direction.
109
He's
in
up.
break.
Break it hard. F4U's over the top.
Oh, too late.
Dobbs out of ammo. We're on long 6, 109.
I'm in a K. That's no fact.